Good morning students. Today we are going to see subtraction. So till now we have seen only up to additions. Today we are going to see subtraction. There what and all we have seen how to add the numbers, 2 and more numbers and all how to add we have seen. Here we are seeing to subtraction. What and all we will see in this chapter is that how to add 3-digit number with regrouping, and for 4-digit numbers how to subtract the numbers without regrouping for the 4-digit numbers, and then we will compare the numbers and we will frame the word problems and we will solve the word problems for subtraction as well as for addition, and then we will subtract them mentally. So here we shall see one example, then we shall enter into exercise problems, we shall solve some problems there. Here it is we are seeing to subtraction of 3-digit number with regrouping. So we are going to subtract the number with regrouping, and in the next one we shall see about how to subtract 4-digit number without regrouping. Here we are seeing to with regrouping for the 3-digit number. One example is given here, which is Arvind's friend Srinivasan has the responsibility of decorating the stage with marigold garlands. So he is decorating the stage. Who is decorating? Srinivasan, which of Arvind's friend. Who is Arvind's friend? Srinivasan. So you are going to find that. So he has given he needs 500 garlands to decorate the stage. He needs how much garlands? 500. So but he has only 167. He is having only 167. So what you are going to find is how many more garlands does he need? He needs how many more means how many in evlo theva. So how many more he needs? So totally 500 needs to decorate the stage. That is 500 garlands are needed, but he is having only 167. So how many more he need? Only he is having 167. So he needs some garlands to decorate the stage. So we have to find how many more garlands. So by figure representation and by how to subtract like that with the place value chart, I am going to explain it to you. So see here, that is we are subtracting 500 minus 67. We are subtracting 167 to 500. Why we are subtracting? Because to find how many more he needs. Innu evlo theva. So we have to compare that numbers and we have to subtract. So 500 minus 167. If we subtract it, we will get the answer. How many more he needs? Subtracting means the remaining part you will get. While we are subtracting, we will get the remaining part. So 500 minus 67. So I have represented in a figure. You know this is mainly a flats. So each flat has 10 rods. So 10 rods are in one flat. So how many rods? How many flats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this represents as 500. So this represents 500. And here I have represented rods. Why I am representing is that we are subtracting the number. We are going to remove the number, which is mean by with regrouping. In addition, with regrouping means we will carry over the number. Here in subtraction, we will just borrow the number. So I will explain in both the ways. So to find this, what we are going to do is we have to borrow the number. See to here, we have to give the places and then values. The two numbers I have placed the values in the places. So 0 in ones, 0 tens, 500s, and 7 in ones, 6 in tens, and 1 in 100. So now I am going to subtract the number. To subtract the number, we have to start from ones place. First ones, then tens place, and then in the hundreds place. So we have to check in the ones place. Here 0, 7. First number is smaller than the second number. So what we have to do? We have to carry over the number. We have to borrow the number from the before place, that is from the tens. So here tens number also small number, which is 0. So we can't borrow from here. So we have to borrow from the hundreds place, which is 5. So how we will borrow from this? So see to here, this is 5, which is in the hundreds place. So 5 blocks are here. Sorry, 5 flats are here. So you are borrowing 1 from here. So before number of 5 is 4. So see here, I am taking this, removing this flat and making 10 rods. Each rods I have removed, that we have loosened everything. So one flat has 10 each rods. So here what I am doing is I am removing, right? So I am borrowing one number. So I have borrowed, which I got as 4. This is 4. I have borrowed this and I have made this. Now we have got only this much. So this is 4 rods. So I have mentioned here as 4. So then how the tens place will be? You will be getting when we have taken 10 rods. So you have to write as 10. So here there is 4 and here there is 10. This has been made into 10 rods. So we have mentioned this as 10 here in the tens. So then next step what we have to do is we are having 4 flats and the 10 rods, that is this one. This is made into this, so we have got this 10 rods. So now what you are going to do is the sum is like this. So the next step, here we have to take the number. First we have to subtract only in the ones place, then only tens place. So here the number 10 is there. So now what we are going to do, we are going to loosening this 10 rods. We are going to lose one rod alone. So one rod, while we are loosening one rod, we will get 10 units. One rod has 10 units, right? So we are splitting out. So we have got 10 here. So how many rods will be the remaining after removing one? So we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 10 will be there. Here after removing one, we will get as 10. So here there is, we are cancelling this, we are writing 9 and then we will cancel the ones place and we will have 10 ones there. 10 units are there, right? 10 ones are there. So writing 10 here. So you will get us 10 minus, now we can subtract 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. So after how will you subtract the number? 10 in the mind and 7 in the fingers. You will say before number of 10, which is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So you will write the number 3 in the ones place. How you have written here? You have removed one rod to 10 units. So you will get 10 units here. Cancelling this 10 you will have and the remaining part is 9. So while you are loosening we have got 10, right? 10 rods we have got. That 10 is this. While we are loosening one rod we will get as 10 units and 10 and 9 rods here. So 10 units we have made and 9 rods are here. This 9 is we have written in the tens place and then in the ones place I have written 10, that is 10 units. So now we have to subtract in the ones place number 10 minus 7. So 10 in the mind and 7 in the fingers. You will say before number of 10 which is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You will write 3 in the ones place. And the next step what you will do, here there is 9 rods and 4 flats are there and I have mentioned here 3 because we have got the answer as 3 here. So now what you will do is, so you got like this at first. Now we have to actually subtract the numbers. So 9 minus 6, how will you subtract 9 in the mind and 6 in the fingers? So you have to say before number of 9 you will get 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So write the number 3 here. So check to this. How will you get? You have to cancel 6 tens from this 9 rods. So how will you cancel? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remaining how much are there? After cancelling 6 rods, you will get 3 rods. So this is the answer. That is 3 tens you will get from this. So after this 4 minus 1. From the 4 hundreds you are going to cancel 100 because we are subtracting the number. So 100 is cancelled. So remaining is 3. So you can write as 3. 4 minus 3. 4 in the mind and 1 in the finger. Say before number of 4 is 3. So you got the answer is 333. Like this only we have to subtract. For a figure representation I have mentioned like this. Here actually you are going to do all the problems by giving the places and then you will subtract by the ones place and next to ones place in the tens and next to tens is hundreds. So first we have borrowed the number from the hundreds place and then we have cancelled and we got the answer and then we have borrowed from the tens for the ones place. So we got as 10 here. So we have subtracted first number in the mind and second number in the finger and we have said before number of 10 we have got answer as 3. Like this only we have to do. Then then we have to keep the, then we have to subtract in the tens place and then in the hundreds place number. Now we shall try to the exercise problems, then you will come to know the easiest way how to subtract the numbers. Now we shall try to the exercise problem 4.1. The first sum is find the difference and verify your answer. So difference means we have to subtract the number, and verify your answer we have to add those numbers. The difference number, that is given number, and we have to add those two numbers. So here the first sum is 938 minus 317. So to subtract the number, first we have to give the places. So up to hundreds place you will be writing ones, tens and hundreds. So write 8 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place and 9 in the hundreds place. And here second number you have to write 7 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place. Now you are going to subtract these two numbers. To subtract these two numbers, what we have to do, first we have to subtract in the ones place and then in the tens place and then in the hundreds place. So first number in the mind and second number in the fingers. Say before number of 8. So its 8 is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So write 1 in the ones place. And here in the tens place, how will you subtract? 3 in the mind and 1 in the finger. Say before number of 3 is 2. So write 2 in the tens place. And now in the hundreds place, 9 in the mind and 3 in the finger. Say before number of 9 is 8, 7, 6. So you will get as 6. So here what you are going to do is, this is the difference that we have got. We have find the difference answer. So now what you are going to do is, you are going to verify your answer. How you will verify? The two smallest numbers you are going to add together, then you will get the greatest number. So here the two different that we have difference we have found, right? So we have to add these two numbers, then we will get this answer, the greatest number. So by adding these two numbers, we will get this answer. The answer will be verified. So take these two numbers and add. First write the places, ones, tens, hundreds. Add this number 7, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 6 in the hundreds place. Now we are adding this number. This is for verification, to verify. First in the ones place you will add 7 plus 1 is 8. So next in the tens place, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then in the hundreds place, 3 plus 6 is 9. So you have got the answer as 938 as the answer. You have verified that. So first we have to subtract the numbers given there. Then you have to add these two numbers, the answer given and the smallest number. So the answer you have found, what you have found, 621. So you have to add these two numbers, then you will find the answer. That answer will be verified to this number, first number, greatest number. So this is the thing that you have to do. First difference means subtract the number, and then to verify you have to add those two numbers. Which numbers? The answer and the smallest number you will be adding. So we have verified. The second sum is also the same thing. Do as your homework sum, the B sum. And the third sum I am doing for you. First write the places for subtracting the number. Then give the values for each of the places. It's 900. Then 8 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place. You are going to subtract. To subtract, what you have to do? We have to first in the ones place and then tens and then in the hundreds. So here there is 0. So you have to borrow from tens. In tens place also there is 0. So you have to borrow from hundreds place. So here the number is 9. So you have to borrow the number from hundreds place. Before number of 9 is 8. So after borrowing you have to write 1 here. So you will get this 10 here. So the 10 is here, then the next one in the ones place only we need. So you have to again borrow from the tens place. So you write the number before of 10 is 9 and then write 1 to the tens place, ones place, then you will get as 10. So 1 you will be writing before to 0. So you got as 10. So now you can subtract the number 10 minus 8. 10 in the mind and 8 in the fingers. You have to say before number of 10, which is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So write 2 in the tens place. And here 9 in the mind and 5 in the fingers. You will say before number of 9, which is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So write 4 in the tens place. And then here in the hundreds place, 8 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. Say before number of 8 is 7, 6, 5. So write 5. So we got the answer as 542. This is for difference. And now we are going to verify. They have asked for also to verify your answer. So write these two numbers, what numbers and all. We have found one answer and the smallest number that is given in the question. So add that number, ones, tens and hundreds. So write the number, 8 in the ones place, 5 in the hundreds and 3 in the 5 in the tens and 3 in the hundreds. And the next one, 542. 2 in ones, 4 in tens, 5 in hundreds. Now you add these two numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10. It is a 2-digit number. So you will write 0 in the ones place and 1 should be carry over. So 1 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. So adding these two numbers you will get 6. So 6 plus 4 you will get as 10. So write 0 here. And then 1 should be carry over. So now add these three numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So you got as 900 as the answer. So you have verified. This is to verify. So as the same thing, this D sum also, do this one as your homework sum. Then see to this. How much should be subtracted from 974 to get 778? So it is given, the question is how much should be subtracted? How much number should be subtracted? The number should be subtracted to this number. To this number, one number should be subtracted. Then only we will get this number 778. To get this number, what we have to do is, we have to subtract the number 778 to 974 to get the answer, that the number we have to get right. So to find how much should be subtracted from this number. To find this number, the subtracted number, we have to subtract this number from 974. We have to subtract 778 to this number to get the number, that is how much should be subtracted from. That subtracting number should be get. So to get that number, we have to subtract this number to this number. So write the place values, ones, tens and hundreds. So write this number, 4 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place and 9 in the hundreds place. And here 778, 8 in the ones, 7 in the tens and 7 in the hundreds. Now we have to subtract the number. To find that number, to this number we have to subtract one number, then only we will get this number. So to find that number, we have to subtract this number to this. So first in the ones place you have to subtract. The first number in the ones place is smaller number than the second number. So you have to borrow from the tens place. So borrow the number, 7 should be cancelled and 6 is borrowed from here. And 1 should be written before the number 4. So 14. So now 14 minus 8. So 14 in the mind and 8 in the fingers. Say before number of 14 is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So write 6 here. 6 in the ones place. And then you have to subtract from the tens place number. Here there is 6, here there is 7, which is smaller than the second number. So you have to borrow from hundreds place. Cancel that number, write as before number as 8 and then write the number 1 before the number. Here 6 is right. So write the number 1 before that. So you will get a 16 now. So 16 minus 7. So 16 in the mind and 7 in the fingers. Say before number of 16, you will get 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So write 9 in the tens place. And then in the hundreds place, 8 minus 7. 8 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. While you are calculating, you will get the answer as 1. So the answer is 196. So to this number is subtracted, means you will get the answer as 778. What we have done? We have subtracted 778 to this number to find that subtracted number, that is 196. If we subtract this number 196 to this number 974, means you will get the answer as 778. So see to this sum, how much should be added to 68 to get 800. This sum should be I have given to you as a homework one. So you are going to do this. As we have seen the last sum, this is also the same thing, that we have subtracted the number, one number, then we will get one number, like that we have found. So here how much should be added to 68? So some number is added to 68. So by adding that number we will get 800. To get that number, to get that number we have to subtract 68 to 800. So are you clear that what I am saying to you? That is, while we are adding some number to this number 68, you will get this answer as 800. So we didn't know the number what we are adding. So to find that adding number, we have to subtract 68 to this number. So write the place values up to hundreds place, because it is a 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number. So 2-digit number can be filled in this place. So here there is 3-digit number. So we are writing up to hundreds place. So first fill this number and then this number. Subtract that two number. The greatest number should be written at first. 800, then 68. You are subtracting these two numbers. First in the ones place, then in tens, then in hundreds. Here there is 0, 0. So you are borrowing from the hundreds place. You know to borrow the number. So just borrow and subtract the number. So what is given here? How much should be added to 68? How much number? That number only we are going to find. By subtracting this number only we will get that adding number. So how much should be added to 68? That number we are going to find. To get 800, this number should be subtracted to this number, then we will get that adding number. So do this as your homework sum. And the next one is, a 500-meter race needs to be completed in 1.5 minutes. So in 1.5 minutes it will be covered 500 meters. So Shreya finishes the race within time. So Shreya finishes within that time itself. So Rohan could cover only 416 meters. She covered 500 meters within 1.5 hours, and here 1.5 minutes, and here Rohan covered only 416 meters in the given time. In that given time, in a 1.5 minute, he has completed only 416. So here the question is, how many meters is Rohan short of completing the race? Short means how much remaining the meters are there we have to find. 416 meters that he had covered within the hour. 1.5 minute he had completed only 16 meters. So we have to find the remaining how much is shortage, like that we have to find. So we have to subtract the number 416 to this number 500. So first write the places, ones, tens and hundreds. Then write the number 500 meters. That is 500 meters, and he completed only 416. So fill in the places the values. And now we are going to subtract that number. Why we are subtracting? Because how much shortage that meters is we are going to find. So how many meters is Rohan short of completing the race? So how much shortage of meters he has, like that we have to find. So first we have to borrow from the hundreds place, because it is 0, here also 0 in the tens place. Ones place and tens place are 0. It is smaller than the second number, that is here smaller, the ones place number and the tens place number are smaller. So we have to borrow from the hundreds place. We have to write 4. Then we have to cancel, write 10. Then cancel, write 9. So here you will get as 10. So subtract 10 and 6. 10 in the mind and 6 in the fingers. Say before number of 10 is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So write 4 in the ones place. You know how to borrow the numbers. You are borrowing from the hundreds place. You have written the before number of hundreds, which is 4, and you have written 1 before the number of 0 as 10, and then we have to write for ones place. So we have again borrowed. So cancel that 10 and write the before number of 10 is 9, and write 1 before this number 0. So we got as 10. So subtract 10 to this number, subtract 6 to this number 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. So 9 minus 1. So we are going to subtract 9 minus, subtract 1 to the number 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. You will be taking 1 in the finger, 9 in the mind, say before number of 9, which is 8. So I am writing 8 here. In the hundreds place, 4 minus 4. So you know, subtracting the same number to same number, you will get a 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer is 84. He needs 84 84 meters to complete, but within the time he didn't complete. So how many meters is Rogan short of completing the race? He is short of completing 84 meters. 84 meter is the answer. So you will write as 84 meter is Rogan short of completing the race. You have to write like that. For 84 meter is Rohan short. Take from the question itself, is short of completing the race. So what we have done, we have subtracted the number 416 to the first number 500 meter, because which one is shortest we have to find. So we are subtracting those two numbers. And the next one you are going to take as a homework. Shyam has 478 stickers and his friend Ram has 689. Who has more stickers and how many more? So what here they have given Shyam how much stickers he is having and his friend how much he is having. So how many more stickers, who has more stickers? The two questions are here. First question is who is having more stickers. So you will compare those two numbers, which one is greater you will find. Find that number, which one is greater, 689. So who is having greater number of stickers? Ram has. So write as Ram. How many more means evlo adhigama vechirukanga. So how many more he is having. So we have to find the number, how much difference is. So you have to subtract the number 478 to this number 689. So write the number 689 at first, and the second you have to write the number 478. Then by subtracting those numbers you will get the answer. So do this as your homework sum and send it to me. You will write first the place values. First you have to write the place values and write the numbers there. So you know first Shyam's number of stickers and the Ram number of stickers. Who is having more number of stickers you have to mention, and then how many more you have to find. To find how many more you have to subtract the number 478 to this number. Greatest number kuda the smallest number subtract pannu. First write the greatest number and then write the smallest number. And see to this, Rogan has 3 cards with the numbers 6, 3 and 4. Make the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number using the cards. Also find the difference between the two numbers. So here what they have given? They have given 3 numbers, that is Rogan has 3 cards, 3 hearts in the number of 6, 3 and 4. One card is number 6 and another card number is 3, another card number is 4. So with this number we are going to make greatest 3-digit number and a smallest 3-digit number. So you know how to make a greatest 3-digit number. Greatest means you will write in the descending order. Write the number in the descending. Which one is the greatest number? Write first. So here greatest number is 6 and next to that 4 is greatest. So write the next number 4. Next number is 3. So this is the greatest number, greatest 3-digit number. And then you have to make a smallest 3-digit number. What is the smallest 3-digit number? Write the smallest number at first. In the ascending order you will be writing from the smallest number to the greatest number. So 3 in the first and next is 4 and next is 6. So you will frame a smallest number and a greatest number. And then what they have asked, also find the difference between the two numbers. Then we have to subtract. The difference means we have to subtract those two numbers. So first write the greatest number. What is the greatest number? Greatest number is 6 at first and then 4 second and 3 at last. So this is in the descending order from the greatest number to the smallest number. And then which is the smallest number? First you have to write, just reverse the number and write 3, 4 and 6. Smallest number to the greatest number. You are going to write this number like this. So this is the smallest 3-digit number and this is the greatest 3-digit number. So now what you are going to do, you are going to find the difference between the numbers. To find the difference you have to subtract the number. So subtract the number from the greatest number, the smallest number you have to subtract. So give the places ones, tens and hundreds, and then you have to subtract from the ones place and then in the tens place, and then in the hundreds place. You know how to subtract the number. Have to borrow the number because it is smaller than the next second number. 3 is smaller than the 6. So you have to borrow the number. So if you borrow from 4, you will get as 3. So write 1 before the number 3, you will get as 13. So take 13 in the mind and 6 in the fingers. 6 in the fingers. So say before the number 13 is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So write 7 in the ones place. Then here 3, here 4, which is smaller than the number 4. So you have to borrow the number from here. So write as 5 before number of 6 and write as 13. That we have to write before the number 1. Before the number 3, we have to write 1. So you have to take 13 in the mind and 4 in the finger. Say before number of 13 is 12, 11, 10, 9. So write 9 in the tens place. And here in the hundreds place, 5 minus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Say before the number of 5 is 4, 3, 2. So write 2 in the hundreds place. So this is the difference that we have got by subtracting these two numbers. Also find the difference between the two numbers. We have find the difference. So this is the answer. So what they have given? They have given 3 number chords, that is Rogan having 3 number chords 6, 3 and 4. We have made a greatest number and the smallest 3-digit number, greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. So we have find the difference. We have found that and we have found the difference between that. What is the difference? 297. So this is the answer. So do the sums that I have given homework sums for you. The fifth one and the third one I have given homework, do that one. Okay. See to the next sum. Mrs. Josie has organized a picnic for all the members of her society. 578 members came for the picnic. She orders biscuits, sweets and chips for the members. So what is given here? Mrs. Josie organizing a picnic. Here there are members. How many members? 578 members came for that picnic. They have ordered biscuits, sweets and chips for the members. So first question is given here. There are 389 packets of biscuits in a carton. How many more packets are needed if each member has to be given one? For each of them, one packet is given. So how many members? 578 members. So total packets, how many packets are there? 389. So to find that, how many more packets are needed? How many more they needed? So that is the thing we are going to find. There are 578 members. Totally 578 members are there. Then means there are only 389 packets. Then how much more they need? So that we are going to find. So write the numbers in the places. The total number of members we have to write. So each of them 1 we are giving means we need. For each of them 1 we need to give means we need of 578 biscuits we need. So here only 389 packets only are there. For each of them packet is given. So we have to find the number, how much we need. So we have to subtract the number from this. So we have filled the values in the places. Now we have to subtract the number. 8 in the mind and 9 in the fingers. So this number is lesser than the second number. So we have to borrow from the tens place. So write a 6 and write 1 before the number of 8 in the ones place. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So 18 in the mind and 9 finger. Before number of 18 you have to say and you will get the number as 9. So then here 6 and 8. You should keep the first number in the mind, second number in the fingers. But here this is smaller number than the second number. So you have to borrow from the hundreds place. So write as before number 4 and then 1 before the number given there in the tens place. So 16. 16 in the mind and 8 in the fingers. You will say before number of 16. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So write 8 in the tens place. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So you got the answer is 189. So they need 189 extra for each of the members. So 389 packets are there. We need 189 packets to give to all of the members. Total number is 578. So likewise the next sum is given for you. There are 800 sweets in a box. In a box there are 800 sweets. So would there be any sweets left if the members are given one piece each? So we are going to find is there any sweets are left. Remaining irka. So we have to find that. So here totally 800 sweets are there. Total numbers is 578. So we have to subtract the number given here, that is 578 from this number because this number is greater. So give the places and write the values. The number of members is 578. So we are subtracting this number. Subtract this number and you will get the remaining answer. That number is the remaining, how much they have asked, would there be any sweets. So there will be some remaining some answer. So yes, there will be some remaining sweets. There would be any sweets left if the members are given one piece. For each of the members only one packet is given. So the total member is only 578, then there will be some remaining of. So we have to say the answer is yes, we have remaining sweets, that is how much we are finding, that answer should be filled there. And the next one you are going to do as your homework sum. There are 600 packets of chips. Can the members be given 2 packets of chips each? So here what is given? 2 packets. For each of the members we are giving 2 packets. So totally how many packets of chips are there? 600 packets are there. So here 2 packets is mentioned. 2 packets means, see here the members is 578. So each of them 2 packets means it will be, we need more than that. So this will be no. Answer will be no, and you have to give the reason by subtracting the number to that number. 578 is subtracted to 600. So find the answer and send it to me as your homework sum. Thank you, students.